Welcome you to watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let's take a look at the headlines for today. JAC Shillong leaders reverse boycott, urge voters to participate in MDC elections. MSSASA files FIR over fake Facebook account, misusing their name. Penchangan NCM opposes land acquisition for IMA in election campaign. And UDP holds public meeting in support of Napi Shisha Marweng for Umroi constituency. And now the news in detail. On February 11th, leaders of the JAC Shillong polling, Misei, Langdongdai, Mausmai, announced that they have reversed their decision to boycott the upcoming MDC elections. In a statement, they urged the public of 21 villages across the 3 polling stations to vote as originally planned for the Rambrai constituency. The decision follows the KHADC authorities' promise to reassign these villages to the Maushan Road constituency. The leaders expressed confidence in the authorities' commitment and encouraged all eligible voters to actively participate in the election process.
Kani kabil kadang sa department ta ngidang don kam yo brio lane yo nomik mat jongi uban kit uban ba ban pun urlong yakene to na KHDC nilayo lembang to kejing yaki ladang iklam lek satai don ki noyalam ki jongi ki ba nasane na satai kiong ba kini ki noyalam jongi JAC ibeng kimbeng krisyu ki alam sa Shillong bansong hapdeng suro hadu baki kila blok kila jenjar hadu sausan kenta ki blok to kesni ndai ngaongi pi lemba katohi yakni kabil jongi kala urlong baki KHDC kasngap na kaleng jonga ngakwa ban pensyai sepi bahak ni kakenti kumbang ila kren batbi bat kamdai kejing kren kajongi kadai kejing rai jumpi ki pajba balada umurlong yakne ngihap ban sim yakarai ban nem thepot hakni kanti ngakwa ban pensyai kendak aku bai dei bekene namar ka KHDC kala snap yangi bat kani kabil kadon kahat kopi kadon hakati jongi ngila yo yakni kamdai syu tangkata ha office barok kala don ngala lekbut sedu setai ngala persang ban le daka dakani dakatai ban yo yakni kabil bat kumjuro bat pun urlong yakni hendrai hak bakadu ndala boy hapi jong bak prestun katkum kajing wat jingtip jongi kubak prestun peladap soy ban pas yakni kabil menta kadwan HDCA ngayak kendu mana kato kesni ngalek manga bado sanbor ji moment satai si Shillong ban lek pan kopi yakni kahat kopi ma hadin nang ko pading lek satai sya secretariat ban ai kopi yak to kajing pan jongi ban lek kendu yo preston hendai hak bakadu preston usitong uklemdon nang tai kum minister badai pek yak district council affairs udon sa bar state engi klem la banyak kendu yo hadu mentaru ngalasen hak group kato kani ki badon hak group JAC pila yui ya kata bad ngilapan ban yak kendu yak appointment ban yak kendu bat ban push up lene ban penbor yu ban soy no kloi krang ban nemlap ka code of conduct ban yo ekene bil bangin like thabot sha motion road constituency hore namar ba ni silam ka office nakta sa kawai do ba prestun don sabar dengan apun harsin ka baningkong klem pun yu hagasin ka baningkong na la yak nang ni nang tai banyo banyak kendu yu umat mat hendai nga klem yo da ka balik kumka ringkat bet kini kino yalam jongi hadin nang ka ngalapun yu arsin uong ba unsapay hadin nang ka ngalapun biang uong ba mentate na bungkam hadin nang ka kumka kumka klem yo syu banyak kendu yu ngalapun ya uba MDC nang tai lengba jongko kumut ba ulale yakren namar ba uru.
On February 12th, the Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Association, MSSASA, led by President Ba Aristotle C. Rambai, filed an FIR at the Sadar police station regarding a fake Facebook account created in the organization's name without permission. The account created by Keringbat Marak falsely used Rambai's identity and that of MSSASA. Speaking to the media, Rambai expressed concern over the misuse of their names and the misleading post, which was discovered on the evening of February 11, 2025. The post quickly spread online, causing confusion among SSA teachers and the general public. MSSA-SA leaders condemned the incident and called for strict action against the individual responsible.
Association Central Body ngiwan hangni hasada police station Shillong nakbentaban file ya ke FIR halor ka way ka fake Facebook account kabala create da noni bru ba kerteng u kirin ba marak haka kerteng jongka Meghalaya SSA School Association in short masasa bat kumjuru haka kerteng jonga aku president jongka Meghalaya SSA School Association Aristotle si Rambai tiya kani ngi nakalian jonga ban nakalian jongi hi kum ka seng ni lap haka por menin janmit te kani ka post kala long viral ha te nakalian jongi ngi lawan menta ka sngi nak ban lodge ya ka FIR hang ni for further investigation nakalian jongka police department nalon ta shushu hapo jongka ni ka group way no bru ba kerteng kum tengse sangma ula share ka way ka post ka bangi hi nakaliang jong ka association ngis ngau bangi penremjor ya kum kini ki jaj post ki ba penkurmar khamtam ya ki parano hikai SSE jongi bat kum juru hi ya ki nong chong chinong jong ka jela Meghalaya hi barok ka way ki nakaliang jongi maneng ile ya keren hi bat ki police officer in charge hang ni bangi ong ba dei ban investigate hak bai dei bat kan ka benta
Klaban batai ki thok umno ka to ka post
katkum kaching tho kajongki hangni ki ong where is the leader, why still silent regarding salary, how will send our children to school without money, without food life is impossible, we are not animals. In Khasi Hills MDC election is going to be, don't vote for NPP, we want Khasi CM not Garo CM. As a Garo I hate Garo CM, he is useless, good for nothing. CM NPP party is careless party, NPP party is family dynasty. Dear Khasi friends, don't vote for NPP party in MDC election. Tenagalian jongi hi kum kaseng kum Meghalaya SSA School Association ngi penremjor ya kanika ya kum kini ki jaj post ki ba labano hakwe kaliang ba kta mat yong ya ka association bat kum juru ya kateng jonga kum president jongka seng te kabaar ngi kwa ban pha ka message baro kino hikai SSA kat kum ka jimbut din jongi last week but ki official jong education department hakabai dei bat katulop jong benai January nakaliang jong ki official jong education department ki lihat hu yangi bakila proses ya kane kakam badang hakni ki kendiat sngi kila yo ya ka phone na ka central government ka badai ka third installment bat menta kidang up bakan credit kane ka pisa nak account jong ka central government syaka account jong ka state but kila ong ya kane mare yo ya ka pisa hakni ki sisngi arsngi kin credit no kin process ban credit no syaka account jongki chaki personal account jong baro kino kai SSA hapo ka jela Meghalaya tingis ngau ba haba nakaliang jong ka department kala le ya ka badon kam kala de process ya ka file hakabai dei bat katulok jongi tekane kalong ka ka dei tang ban pentho bria ya ka seng jongi kum kino kai SSA ka Meghalaya SSA School Association bat kum joro ban pentho bria ya ka.
In his election campaign speech at Langkerding, Penshangan NSM Deputy CEM and Congress candidate for Maukhar Penthor Umkra voiced strong opposition to the Meghalaya government's land acquisition plans under the Investment Meghalaya Agency (IMA). CEM stated that the Congress party would not allow the state government to buy land in this manner. He emphasized the urgency of protecting the land through the KHADC and urged the people to support the Congress party to prevent the government from taking unchecked control over land. CEM's statement reflects concerns over the future of land ownership in the region.
Yang kirukom trekam, lade kita kebagaian ki laws and policy, kilong ban kentiu ye ki barus pa ndai ban kentiu yo bodo ni madi ki jinga naga wai ka por suka wai ka por kalong ka chukla se ka bagi madi ki jinga kat chapa bhai trai jam long sho mio jam ki jis ni ka jilai kat chapa bhai ni do jing kerman ki kemi ki pa ki ling a ki bisa nama ka jing tharoi jong ki jing snio harilom khasi pa e ka jogi kalong thek ko makapor kajong nung supa Amos jong simu Uzaya hagapor jong hima Israel pat hima Juda hagapagi nung sensyar ilayu roy yaki baduk yaki bakerdo kadi kejuk hagapagi mat yaki jingya kum kari kasi baro kawai hagajin shisha kari kasi lese ngapan tip kum kawai kari kaba day kari kepala donnya keburon kabenda kabang labanong bakari kasi jong ngila dono ya keburon jongka ngila dono ya keburon jongka mensual ong ya kari kasi jong ke Scotland of the East mentan dia bagi pai lese ketika ri ke bakam jabok lese kan nombak ke jabok tam lese North East India jong oh mensual jong kari tip breu kari tip lay oh mensual jong kari ke akor kari ke burong oh jong mensual kari tip gur kari tip ka kari uso upai kari kedut kangap oh mensual jong kari ke papahu pahai kini kiai kepada ke burong ya kari kasih jong ngila dua na.
The United Democratic Party (UDP) conducted a public meeting at Bhoi Rembong in support of its candidate Napishisha Marwen for the Umroi constituency. The event saw the participation of UDP Working President Paul Lyngdoh, Joint Secretary Tirat Singh Suchiang and several party leaders and supporters.
Kesep kenok pais ni kebangiala bendon hang ni ben sakit kat ni kinang kershan kat no kependon ke jingkerman ya ke ni ke kon samla kan thai ke marwai ke banyale mental ke ni ke kenti ke ni ke election ke banga ngashim ya ke ni ke lingkor ke dai ke jingyo ijngai ke jonga ya ke lawe ke jongi ke kon samla ni dai ke lawe jongeri bar ke jat benriu kum kinang song jong kene ke song Bhoi Rembong ba jong kene ko Umroi constituency menta ke kinti snowha ye jet ye ke party ke baskem ye ke nongrem trekam ke badan ye ke policy ke balak ke thau ye ki an ban penkhan ye ki an ko maklayo snow shakman kiriu rangba jong ke party kinajak ban keren ban penshai na kaliang jonga nang gandam shu ban penshai henrei nang pan ke jingai trelang nang pen jongpi bat ke party ke jongi lana pi ken penjok yanga kung ke candidate na ke party UDP ngatharai ngindang scam shu ya kini ginongrum nindang syam hakajing snowsnan namar nidon kian di baklan mentang uarajar arpusan ule usnem bagi ang uselva jubilee tu ai bada kajingmi jongani ga wei ko kon samna kintai niniyo ban rakhe yaw ni usnem silver jubilee niniyo banyadek kemen hakini ke constituency berok kuwai kum ketua kukun samna kebaga party UDP kalasai ngawan hakmat jongpi kipat bak barok bangalang ke syakri ke jongpi om ke kenrat ke jongpi ngawan hakmat jongpi banterwa bangalang tang kanong ra shiti ke jongpi hamtai ha office trekam klam kanong ra shiti om dan bala manu banweng ye kijing e ki bang pi don ngandai kanong ra shiti ke bang pi pinwan ban ai ye gitu ki shiti ke jongpi hanga ban ngandai kata ke ban ra hantai ban pensngo.
On February 12, 2025, Lawan Pensngan K. War, Congress candidate for Mairang constituency, campaigned at Umthlong Market, explained the Congress party's objectives for the MDC election. He appealed to the public for their support to secure victory. War was joined by Congress office bearers from Mairang and the district.
Baik nolong kumno, baik ngateri kumno. Kadang ibet, kadang abiang, terkom terikam, kamtam, kakum kikendon, jong ke district council, itu sih inangnya beteng. Kadang abiang, berat orang nasi ruru, ngam semua isu. Nama boleh, ya kam kebangam nak, nganum nak berpeluang umau ditut dan di. Yo eleksi kalau berhampir, nang ni dapat kadang jampi, kepala peluang KMDC. Kongres parti kan rak, kamtam yaki kena, yaki Samla, yaki rangwa ni kilong kumi, bagi kil, nak kau Khubor, siapa kau Khubor. Kalau kau ikat kamu tak boleh dengar kalau kumi, teng mo, ada yang sisa mo. Ndal ajok, kilong ni kuat teng, ibai batang saki, rangwa, tiga kilong kumi. Dan nanti kilong kumi dalam kita ni ikhtiar, sebagai penjawab election, ya baik lomba, hayo hakat, deh. Kilong kumi ni hamil no, song kriat hayin, yang hiru ni penjawab, hiru ni nyoye. Henry, ladangan aku isi kathon, ngasih orang pi kumi, dan bu ki pekerpang, nam tapi kilong kumi, buat nam tak Samla. Adon kathon nak lihat tunga, Henry, tu yang penjawab semua, bagi saya pet harta Khubor. Meghalaya baong menduduk mana, or banyak keren, ngadai ita ikun, jong ibak kidor skim. Ibalong inom ikmat hagi por pemencua hang tai hapok Mairang hang ni hapok nok clear rule abun pelai kenduk kam bat I hang keju ko por umni mai kenduk kam ilai don ru kajing don bentar hang ba ilong MDC hang ni tang na kadao ba ipa jonga ide itai nom ikmat kamut ba ukun udawa ba udong nom ikmat ru mo kata kalau ko batam sedeng ring Henry nakitaw bang ayo I kam ile nabenta kari nabenta ka jat penriu nabenta ka ni kadong nabenta ka ni kathan but nabenta ka hima.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.